The following is not about moralising, about right or wrong. For those not familiar with birds and bees, etc., it is a euphemism for sex education, an explosive topic if ever there was one. My own education consisted of, yes, birds and bees, tadpoles and eggs. 9 months later, a stork delivered a baby that was found under a gooseberry bush. No, I'm not joking. Just ask your grandparents. We have come a long way with instilling facts and awareness to the generation that followed behind. But then is there too much on the internet, too much information, mostly inaccurate information, to confuse and misguide today's teens? On a popular psychobabble site, here famous for raising a topic, but never answering the many questions it poses, I found two opposing views. One from a young guy who personally believes that online porn is not only safe, but also educational and should be more widely available, especially to boys. But a young girl who felt that online porn had traumatised her. She felt sexualised and ashamed of her body, that it was only being shown as being for male gratification. She felt disgusted with her body, avoided friendships and relationships, worrying how they would end up. I know it's all about personal perception and processing, but is it now the time to legally enforce restricting porn to over 18s, giving young minds the opportunity to appreciate unhindered that respect and consent should be the first steps in a relationship? Porn is at its best just entertaining fantasy, and at its worst misogynistic and coercive.